Hi friends, today's video is going to be in English and it is about iron and cast iron cookwares from Sri Annamalai Traders, also known as SAT. Sri Annamalai Traders is a 30-year-old manufacturing and trading company in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. They manufacture in-house products from designer grills to garden tools to hot plates. Sri Annamalai Traders have a combo deal on iron and cast iron cookware for our viewers till 5th of January 2021. Come, let's see what products are included in the combo. Watch this video till end for the combo code. Before discussing the products in the combo, I would like to share some information about why should we choose to switch from the regular cookware that we already use. First, let's discuss the highly used aluminum. Aluminum dissolves in water and food that is cooked in it. It also reacts with citrus fruits like lemon and tomatoes. Aluminum gets infused in our food and is entering our bodies. This results in many unwanted side effects like flatulence, acidity, and skin irritation. Using Teflon coated non-stick cookware is also not a healthy option because it emits harmful fumes in the air when it be heated at high temperature, and these fumes can cause chronic diseases. So if you plan to switch to a healthier option, this combo deal from Sri Annamalai Traders is best. So now let's see the 5 products SAT is offering in the combo deal. This 10 by 10 inch heavy duty cast iron grill pan, 9.5 inch cast iron dosa or chapati tawa with handle and a heat resistant grip, 8.5 inch classic iron frying or appam kadai with handles and heat resistant grip, 6.5 inch cast iron tadka pan with handle and a heat resistant grip, and this classic iron spatula or a karandi. All the products in this combo except this kadai are pre-seasoned and ready to use. The price of this combo is only 2020 rupees. SAT sent me this combo, so now let's see the products one by one. First, let's see this grill pan. It is very heavy and weighs around 4 kgs. It is made from heavy duty cast iron and the grill lines are so deep it will bring very good and fine grill marks on the food. The best part about using a cast iron grill pan against a non-stick pan is we don't have to worry about scraping toxic Teflon coating and mixing it with our food. With proper care and regular use, cast iron cookware becomes non-stick and these last for a lifetime. This grill pan can also go in the oven. Next is this cast iron dosa or chapati tawa. It is 9.5 inches in diameter and has a nice handle with heat resistant grip. The tawa is machine finished to give a nice and smooth texture to our dosas. Dosa made in cast iron pan come out very crisp and tasty. A proper seasoned dosa tawa will need only a drop of oil and so your dosas will become much healthier. I will show you how to season it well later in this video. The classic iron spatula in this combo is useful in flipping dosa, chapati, paratha, anything that you cook in these pans. Next is this 8.5 inch frying or appam kadai. This one is made of classic iron and is not very heavy, yet it's very good for cooking. These handles with heat resistant grip make it very easy to make appam. As this kadai is lightweight, we can easily swirl it to spread appam batter. Also, this kadai is not very deep, which makes it ideal for frying, so we don't end up using a lot of oil. Now let's see this 6.5 inch tadka pan. I prefer to call it an omelette cum tadka pan. The 6.5 inch size of the pan is ideal for making omelets and the pan size is good for preparing tempering for dal tadka, pindi chole and many other recipes where we use long chilies in tempering. This too has a handle with a heat resistant grip. You must be thinking why I am stressing so much on heat resistant handles. This may look like a very trivial information, but it is in fact a very important factor to look for when purchasing iron or cast iron cookware. Iron heats up very well and cast iron holds the heat for long. So it becomes difficult while cooking if the handle is really hot. If we look for heat resistant handle covers online, the price of such covers itself is Rs 300. Now you see these products are at a very reasonable price. All the cookware from SAT are made from very fine quality raw material and they do not use any chemical or M-seal to hide any cracks or holes. The cookware are a single joint free piece. Like I said before, the products are pre-seasoned and ready to use. But before cooking anything in my iron and cast iron cookware, I like to lightly season them again. Let me show you how. I am seasoning the dosa tawa here. Dosa tawa seasoning is a little bit different, so I'll show this one. I'll first wash it with water. It's very clean. There is no black residue. I am using a scratch resistant scrub sponge like this. Lightly rub it to remove any dirt that is stuck on the tawa. Rinse with water. Keep in mind, never let any of these cast iron cookwares air dry. Wipe it off immediately with a kitchen cotton towel. Keep the tawa on gas burner on medium flame. Put some cooking oil. Use a paper towel to spread the oil nicely on all corners. Let the oil smoke and the seasoning process for all other products is done. For the dosa tawa, it's a little different. I'm showing you how. That's my daughter. She's very curious to see what mommy is doing. So take half an onion, stick a fork in it and start rubbing the onion on the pan in circular motions. Make sure you touch every corner of the pan like this. Keep doing this for a good 10 to 15 minutes. It's almost been 10 minutes and the pan is smoking really well. I hope you can see the smoke. My seasoning is almost done. I'll pause here for a bit to show how black the onion has become. Discard the onion and wipe off the excess oil using the same paper towel. Rinse the tawa with hot water to remove excess oil. Like I said before, do not let this air dry and wipe it off immediately with a kitchen towel. The tawa is seasoned. Do you see the difference? You can do the same process on the classic iron kadai to make it absolutely non-stick. I'll quickly show you how easy it is to make dosa on this tawa now. Look at that, how easily it is coming off, just like a non-stick pan. But instead of the dangerous fumes from Teflon, we get to have iron in our food. After every use, wash these cookware immediately and try to avoid any dish soap. Use hot water to remove extra stickiness. If you happen to use dish soap, repeat the oil and heat process, which takes a maximum of 5 minutes to maintain the seasoning of the products. If you like this combo, you can call or WhatsApp on the numbers mentioned on screen, also mentioned in the description box. The combo code is BOSS2020. If you go to buy these products individually, they will cost you at least 2500 rupees. This combo price of 2020 also includes 12% GST. Packaging and shipping are additional. These products are shipped securely in a very well packed box. The products are also secured with additional papers and shred to protect them from damage during transit. I will be using these products extensively in my upcoming videos. Do let us know in the comments if you want any more information about these products. So what are you waiting for? Go grab your combo. Subscribe and stay tuned to our channel for more such good content. Bye bye.